In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Canva presentations to PowerPoint in just a few easy steps. So if you're looking to take your creative designs from Canva and give them a new home in PowerPoint, then stick around because I'll walk you through the entire process. First things first, you'll want to begin by selecting the file you wish to transform. Head over to your Canva dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're in, browse through your designs and click on the one you'd like to convert. Perhaps it's a recent project or something you've been tweaking over time. Regardless, ensure that it's the one you're happy with converting. Once you've opened your design, the next step is to click on the Share button. This button is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. It's a great gateway not just for sharing with others, but also for exporting your designs in various formats. It's a functional tool that opens up a world of options, and clicking it will present a drop-down menu with a range of possibilities. Next in the sequence is to click on See All. This option is part of the drop-down that you just opened. Canva has a lot of hidden treasures tucked away under this button, as it expands the sharing and downloading capabilities. It's here where you'll find a more extensive list of formats available for your design, which you might overlook at first glance. Now that we've expanded all the possible formats, we'll proceed by clicking on Microsoft PowerPoint. It's an instantly recognizable option given our goal today. Selecting this format means Canva will prepare your presentation file for PowerPoint compatibility. This is crucial because it ensures that the design elements are maintained even when you switch platforms. With that selection made, it's time to finalize and click Download. This step is essential because it not only triggers the conversion, but also prompts Canva to package your design neatly as a PowerPoint file. You might have to wait a few moments depending on the size of your presentation and your internet speed. Once completed, the file should start downloading directly to your default downloads folder unless you've set it otherwise. And that's it, you've successfully converted your Canva presentation into a PowerPoint file. You can now open it with Microsoft PowerPoint and continue working with it as needed, or share it with colleagues and friends. Thanks for watching this guide, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy designing!